So we're in Reston, Virginia at the Southgate Community Center on Pinecrest Road, and we are having our Community Day as well as honoring former Supervisor Kathy Hudgens by renaming the Southgate Community Center today.
This was something that was put in motion by the Board of Supervisors using a process that we just recently installed for naming of facilities, of county locations, and I'm very proud that this is our kickoff for this new process.
How fitting it is that this community center should be named for the Kathy Hudgens Community Center at Southgate. It represents the things she stands for.
Well, I think it's enjoyable. Enjoyable because I can think about all of the things that can go on and what it does to our community. I think it's something that you can't forget when you start looking and listening to here. Thank you for all of the people that have helped us.
Kathy really put her heart and soul into these community facilities, into the community activities, and there's no better way that I could see to honor her and her service than having this facility renamed for Kathy.